everybody, and welcome back to our channel.
Hey guys, I'm Kathy.
I'm Lulu.
And I'm Donna. And today we have a request from Trey.
Thank you,
Thank
Trey.
you, Trey.
Thank you, Trey.
And this is for Blackbriar Cicada. I don't think we've ever heard of Blackbriar before.
No, I don't think so. Mm-mm.
So, I know I've never heard of Blackbriar. I don't know their song Cicada, and I've never seen this video.
Me either.
Neither have I, but just looking at the beginning part of the video, and how it's like a butterfly, cicada is like an order of an insect.
It is an insect, yes.
Yes. So the order of the insect. So it might be a moth, because a moth has the order of a cicada.
I don't know. I'm not gonna prejudge it, because it could be something completely different. She just has butterfly wings on, so I'm not gonna judge it.
Those are cool wings, though.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so none of us have seen this video or heard of Blackbriar before, so let's go ahead and get started. This is Blackbriar Cicada.
That is just so cool. I really like it.
She has a beautiful voice.
She does.
She could sing so high.
Mm-hmm.
And it just seems like that's how she sings all the time. Just really high. She has beautiful hair too.
Yeah.
A beautiful color.
She does.
Mm-hmm.
Isn't that the same color as Uncle Dennis's?
Yes, and mine when I was young. Yeah. Mine was even brighter than that, actually. But through the years, the sun...
It's dulled.
It dulled. It's kind of I don't know what it is. But it's
Strawberry blonde.
But it's not as bright. But boy, yeah. Mine was even brighter than that. But your Uncle Dennis's was like that all the time. His never dulled.
Mm-hmm. What'd you think?
I really liked it. I thought it was really cool. I thought she had a really pretty voice. I liked those feathers on top of the horse's head.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a pretty video.
It reminds me of Cinderella.
Mm-hmm. With the carriage.
The carriage, and they have those little fluffy things on those horses.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's the comparison I made. And those horses that are they're beautiful.
Beautiful horses. That's a beautiful video.
Yeah, whoever came up with this idea it's awesome.
It is.
Let's go ahead and finish it off.
Turn me into a cicada so I can finish your song. When I vanish into melody, I never return, far gone. Would you turn me into a cicada so I can finish your song? When I vanish into melody, would you give me just those other twins, and I will finish your song when summer begins. When
That's awesome.
You have a beautiful
She
voice.
has a beautiful voice. Oh my goodness.
Just,
I don't think I could ever get my voice that high.
I mean, and that's just
And
how
it just
she sings.
sounds flawless.
Just beautiful.
What'd you think?
I thought it was really cool. I really liked it. It was just like so out of the ordinary. I really like those butterfly wings. I like how I really like those wings. Those things are cool. And the whole thing was just really cool.
If you have any other suggestions for any more Blackbriar,
Drop that down in the comments. We would love to listen to it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Helps the channel a bunch, and it's totally free. If you'd like to see the original video we watched today, that's in our script rectangle, along with our Buy Me Coffee, and our Buy Me Coffee is $10. And so you have to buy 2 coffees in order to get a priority request. You could also do the $10 priority request on PayPal. We also have our social media, P.O. Box, Amazon contribution list, Amazon wish list. If you'd like to check it out, we really appreciate it. Just as a reminder, we do not do any priority requests through Super Chat on YouTube.
And as always, guys, we appreciate each and every one of you, and we'll see you tomorrow.
bye!